place for the audacious and the inspirational. A place where you can showcase your mind movie and share with the world what you are going to manifest in your future. You see, it's our mission to expose everyone to the power of manifestation and the law of attraction through mind movies. Not sure what a mind movie is or haven't seen our introduction video? Well, view it now by clicking on introduction. So check out our library of mind movie examples to see how people are already manifesting through the law of attraction. Hopefully you will be inspired enough to make your own mind movie. Now, if you need help, we have developed an entire online mind movie creation kit. The creation kit is so complete, even if you have no computer skills and no film editing skills, you can create your own professional-looking mind movie. In the creation kit, we start off helping you write the script for your mind movie. We walk you through a step-by-step process, triggering your memory for all the things you want. Relationships, money, career, you name it, we'll help you get clear on what it is you want, then write it in powerful and succinct phrases ready for your mind movie. Next, it's time to find your pictures. I'll give you the secret to finding the most awesome pics on the web, and it's not Google. Then we hit film production. You get to keep all of the software and resources you need to make as many mind movies as you like. Plus, watch step-by-step video tutorials about the whole film editing process. You can watch each step as many times as you like whilst you're making your mind movie. It's like having me right there with you. I share all the film editing techniques along the way to make your mind movie look $1,000,000. Plus, I'll give you some neuro-linguistic secrets to help program your subconscious. I will warn you of the pitfalls, and I'll save you hours as you make your mind movie. In fact, the tutorials, templates, and information is so complete, what would have taken a novice weeks to do can now be completed in just one afternoon. There's hundreds of dollars of value in the creation kit, but I just want you guys to start manifesting right now, so I'm really giving it away. You get it all for a one-time payment of just $27. There's nothing more to pay. So your first easy step to making your own mind movie is to purchase the creation kit by clicking on the payment button below. So let us help you create your future now.